There's a lot of areas of my house that are a disaster. We're going to handle them one at a time. So as we ease into fall, my house is semi put together. First things first, we're doing a 1-day entryway, which means I have 1 day to whip this entryway into shape. It's pretty horrifying. Let's go see it. At this point, you might be feeling horrified for me because why does my porch look so gross? Or you're feeling better about your life because yours isn't that bad. Either way, we have 1 day and I'm only getting a few simple items to make this transformation happen. I'm going to use paint to change the door color, some plants because obviously plants make everything better. I'm going to grab a couple rugs. I'm going to thrift some items to add some function. And finally, I want to make one upgrade that's going to change my life, which is changing my door lock. Right now, I have to type in a 6-digit code every time I want to get into the house and the handle sticks. So I feel like if I make this one upgrade with some sort of smart lock that makes my life easier, this transformation will not only be pretty, it will also function better. Let's get into it. This is my back door. It's not the one people see from the street, but it's the one I use the most, and it's where my packages get dropped off. And every time someone drops one off, I cringe a little because it's a disaster. So this has been on my to-do list for months. Every time I come home and walk in and out of this door, I'm reminded that I need to address it, but there just hasn't been time. But today's our day. So we kind of have a bug problem. Because I leave these lights on at night and the spiders have decided this is where they like to post up for snacks. So we're going to clean that up and give us a clean base so we can actually paint. Shout out to Eufy for sponsoring this video. I'm installing one of their smart locks and it is incredible. I like it way more than I thought and I can't wait to show you all the features. Okay, let's transform this door. So here's the paint situation. This is what the house looked like when I bought it. Then I painted the door orange and then we decided to paint the whole house this dark color, which is amazing. But the painter didn't touch any of the trim, which is annoying, and I don't really like the orange with the blue. It's giving just not polished, so I'm going to tone it down a little bit, use a warm neutral, and it's going to elevate the whole space. So we're painting the trim, changing the door color. And I also painted my posts. It is wild how just painting a couple of things, slightly different colors, is changing the whole look. It immediately looks way more polished and welcoming. So while that paint dries, let me show you this lock. This is the lock I've had. It has a code, you punch it in, it unlocks. At the time, this was genius because I was always losing my keys. And so it was like, whoa, this is incredible. I don't have to bring my keys around. But as time has gone on, I'm realizing there's way more smart features that I could have that are going to make my life so much easier. It's fine, but it's just a lock. There's no camera, there's no doorbell, and there's also no wiring back here, so I haven't been able to add those up until now. So I'm swapping this out for the eufy FamiLock E40, which is also available at Home Depot, and I will link it below. There's no wiring needed here. It actually just has a battery in the back that you can recharge, so it's super simple. This whole install took me about 25 minutes. It was incredibly easy. You can do it with just a screwdriver, but I don't have one, so I used a drill. Here's the features that I needed. Number one, it has a camera. So anytime someone drops something off, I get a notification. I can spy on who's at my back door, and I love that for me. Number two, it still has a keypad if I want to get in that way, but it also has a fingerprint lock, and my favorite feature, my face is the key. So it has 3D facial recognition. To be honest, I didn't really know if I was going to use the facial recognition part of this lock because I was like, what do I need that for? but let me tell you, it is a game changer. Because if you're like me, you live in a state that doesn't allow bags, and you forget one every time. This means every time I'm bringing something in from the car, it's in armfuls of stuff that is dropping everywhere because I'm determined to make one trip and one trip only. So my favorite part about this lock is the facial recognition unlocks the lock just by me approaching. It sees I'm coming and unlocks the door for me because honestly, I do need all the help I can get. I added a new door handle on the bottom. I'm obsessed with antique brass, so that's what I went with. Even though it doesn't completely match the black, I feel like they still go together. But this lock's nice because you can add any style handle. I just hate a knob or like a dinky lever on a front door or like an exterior door. I want it to be more like grand. So I'm loving this combo. I will link that below as well. Now for some styling. This is one of my favorite flowers and it blooms throughout the fall, so I added that to a pot. I also got this ornamental pepper. They're hot peppers you can actually eat. And you know I love things that have dual function, so I thought this was perfect because it adds so much texture, and then I'm actually going to eat these peppers later. Maybe we'll try canning. TBD. Okay, now for these rugs. So I've had my eye on this fun diamond pattern for a while. I like the burnt orange, and then I saw this kind of minty floral scalloped rug that I could layer on top. I thought it was going to be a regular thick doormat. It's a lot thinner than I planned, but I still like this pattern, so it's staying for now until I probably spiral and DIY my own soon. Are you ready for this after? One day, that's it. And this store went from something I was annoyed by and slightly embarrassed by to a space that feels like a warm welcome when I come home. It has tons of personality and so much function. This eufy FamiLock E40 is available at Home Depot. I will link it below if you want to grab one too. Thanks for watching. If you like this project, you should hit that subscribe button down below so you can stay in the loop for more simple renovations just like this.
Now I found the flow. I need you to keep up.